I therefore allow the application and grant bail bond to the applicants and all their co-accused on the following conditions.
Ekuiro mirongo ena agukumio ya ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi NYS kurekererio na bodi ya milioni 5 na kurio maneane passport cia wabici-ini cia DCI.
The pilot had even protested and said she's not familiar with that route and she was promised to be guided.
Ripoti ya kile giacungirire mutino wa ndege mutito-ini wa Badia kurekererio kanaga kiumia giki.
Evidence gathered indicate conspiracy by officials at the Kenya Pipelines Company.
Kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC kwendekithia thitango kuri maafitha a KPC thutha kuhithuka kigina kia muingi ni kia ungumanirio. Nacemania na Ruben Doita kuma itura ria Gikambura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu uri huthagira indo iria cionekaga itari kiene kugemia micii.